Here's a quick tip. If you want to check the elevations of some contours before you run a takeoff, I'll show you two quick things you could do. One, you can select them all here, go to the filter command, and then make sure it's on polyline, scroll down to elevation, and then I usually just type in 0. Obviously it could be wrong and have a different elevation, but usually if you draw everything on the 0 elevation, then and you haven't set the elevation yet, then it would probably be on 0. So you pick that. And so all of these have been set to a different elevation, so they're probably right. And we have one little line down here that is on the wrong layer, just an errant line that we don't need. And so I'm just going to delete that. So those aren't left on the 0, so that's good. And then one other thing you can try is viewpoint. And this shows you like the perspective. This is plan view. We're looking at plan view straight down from the sky. But if we move this over and click over here to look at it from the side, and click OK, we can look in at these contours kind of from the side. And sometimes you'll see one contour that, you know, it might go like this and then it'll go all the way down to 0, and you'll know that like one end of the line is at the wrong place or something. But you can tell that they're all up here, kind of where they're supposed to be. This is a profile, so that's supposed to be like that. Those I think are corridors, or those are also profiles. So all of these contour lines are up where they need to be. To get back, we were in world, so if you just type plan, enter, it's going to go back to the previous UCS, and we were in the world because you see that little square there. And then we can just zoom back in. So that's two quick ways that you can check your contour elevations before you run a takeoff, just to make sure that there's nothing wacky going on. And that's it.